Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how to update Instagram to get the new features. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy. First, you gotta make sure that you've updated the actual app. So you need to go to App Store, and over here you need to type in Instagram. And just make sure that your Instagram is updated from here. If it says update options, go ahead and update it. Now you just gotta go ahead and open up Instagram. Once you've opened Instagram, what you have to do is to be in your profile and press on these three dots on the corner. Basically horizontal lines, press on them. And once you have updated directly, you'll see an option under time management called update Instagram. So you gotta press on that, and after that you'll instantly get the new features. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this literally helped you out. I'll see you in the next